experience.
Humber Arm South is a community located in the western part of Newfoundland, Canada, specifically within the Humber Bay of Islands region. It is situated along the scenic Humber Arm, a long fjord-like inlet that extends inland from the Bay of Islands on the west coast of Newfoundland. The area is characterized by rugged coastline, forested hillsides, and stunning natural landscapes. The Humber Arm South region offers a wealth of outdoor recreational opportunities. Visitors and residents alike can enjoy activities such as hiking, camping, fishing, boating, and wildlife watching. There are numerous trails and parks in the area that provide access to the natural beauty of the region. Like many communities in Newfoundland and Labrador, fishing has played a significant role in the history and economy of Humber Arm South. The waters of the Humber Arm are known for their abundance of fish, including species such as cod, salmon, trout, and shellfish. The area likely has a rich maritime heritage, with fishing traditions that have been passed down through generations. The landscapes around Humber Arm South are known for their scenic beauty. Visitors can expect breathtaking views of the coastline, with rugged cliffs, picturesque coves, and panoramic vistas of the surrounding hills and forests. The area is particularly stunning during the fall when the foliage transforms into vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow. Tourism is an important industry in the Humber Bay of Islands region, and Humber Arm South attracts visitors from near and far who come to explore its natural beauty and outdoor attractions. Visitors can find accommodations, restaurants, shops, and other amenities in nearby communities such as Corner Brook, which is the largest city in western Newfoundland. Overall, Humber Arm South is a picturesque and welcoming community that offers visitors a chance to experience the beauty of Newfoundland's west coast and immerse themselves in its rich maritime heritage.